you pick a song and maybe that song isn't available, so you'll then get a...
Or it's already been done.
Or it's been done.
See, the problem is...
I had so many tracks I wanted to do.
Yeah, me too,
done.
but they had all been done. But you went home on a TLC song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Couldn't have seen that one.
That was so rough.
All of your songs sounded very good.
It was a song called The Door.
The Door.
Great artist.
Yeah.
And then...
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
That was demanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
It's nerve-wracking as heck, guys. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. Beautiful. Now she tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew a hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.